Did you know I grew up with a Syrian grandma? I grew up on dolmas. Some people call them something else because these are in a lot of different cultures. Today I'm gonna be making this, my childhood food. Love it. First, this is not an authentic way of doing it. I grew up on these because of my grandma, and this is just my take on it. She didn't make these authentic as well. She had her own way of doing it too. Okay, so my old chef gave me these from his backyard. This is what inspired the video. This is a grape leaf. Beautiful. Rinsey rinse. So the rice I'm gonna be using is jasmine rice, or whatever long grain rice. Salt your water like the fucking ocean. Leaf in. Blanch for around 15 seconds. Chuck roast. Duck fat. Oregano. Hell lemon juice. This is the way my grandma always did it. So normally she would serve it with yogurt and I would dip it in. She still does that to this day. I don't have any right now, so some flaky salt will do. Just look at that. Oh, hot. Really good though. Oh, you're still here. Hey, check this video out right here. It's pretty cool. Or subscribe right here.